Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to show various books from the tally. Same for example, cash book, bank book, sales register, purchase register, journal voucher register, how we can get from tally. After making an entry, we have to go to the display option from your gateway of tally. You can select display option from your scroll down and press enter, or you can just press D from your keyboard, so the display menu will going to be open on your screen. In this display menu you can see your trial balance, day book, account book, statement of account, cash flow, fund flow, etc. Now I want to see my accounting books. So how can I see? Just press A from your keyboard, or just select accounting books via your mouse and press enter, or just press A from your keyboard. Accounting books window will going to be open. What is our accounting books? Cash book, bank book, ledger, sale register, purchase register, journal register. Now I want to see my cash book, so just select cash and bank. Here it your cash and bank summary. Now I want to select cash, so select cash. Here you will see the summary month wise. Now suppose I want to see my November month cash transaction, I can go to the November and just select November. I can see my all entry of November month. Suppose I want to change my period, then just select F2 from your right hand side, or just press Alter F2 from your keyboard and just select period you want to see for your cash transaction. I same for example I select whole year and press enter, so whole year your cash transaction will be reflected. So in this way you can see your cash book. Now suppose you want to see your bank book, just go to display menu from your gateway of tally, select accounting books, means just press A from your keyboard, select cash and bank, just go to the bank which you want to see. Same for example I want to see Bank of India, just select, the monthly summary will be appear. I want to see November month entry, so I select November month. I can also change my period from Alter F2, or selecting F2 from your right hand side tab. So in this way you can see your bank account transaction via bank book. Suppose I want to see my sales register and purchase register, how can I see? Just go to the display menu via selecting display, or just press D from your keyboard. Just go to accounting books via pressing A, or selecting accounting books. Go to the sale register. The summary for your sale transaction will be displayed via monthly. Same for example I want to see January month's my sale transaction, so I can see all my January month sale transaction. Here there is a voucher number, party's total debit amount, party name, and the date wise entry will be seen here as per sale register. This is list of all sales voucher. If I want to change my period, then press Alter F2, or just select F2 from your right hand side. The change date, the Alter F2, the change period menu will be appear. So I will select suppose April month, then I can get my April month sale transaction entry. So in this way you can select or see your sales register. Now suppose I want to see my purchase register, just go to the display tab from our gateway of tally. Just select accounting book, just select purchase register. You can see your purchase transaction. If you want to see for a whole year, just press F2 period option from your right hand side, or alter F2 from your keyboard. You can see all your purchase transaction. This is list of your purchase voucher, date, name of the party, voucher type, voucher number, and total amount. In this way you can see your list of the purchase voucher. Suppose you want to see your journal voucher transaction, then just go to the display option, select accounting book, go to the journal register, and select the month in which you want to see. Suppose you want to see May month journal transaction, just select May month, list of your journal voucher will appear. Now if you want to for a whole year, or press Alter F2 and select whole year as a current period. Now you can see all your journal voucher for your whole year. So in this way you can see the cash book, bank book, sales register, purchase register, and general voucher. Suppose you want to see particular ledger. How can you see? Just go to your display tab, select accounting books, and just select ledger from your accounting books menu, or press L. So what is the shortcut? From if you are on gateway of Tally, just press D, then press A, and then press L. The name of the ledger, list of the ledger will appear. Here you can select any ledger. If you want to see same, for example, Anil Metals ledger, select Anil Metal. Here your ledger is appear. If you want to change your period, just press Alt F2 and select your period. All the transaction for your selected period will appear. So here there is a ledger for your Anil Metal. In this way you can select any ledger from this way. Same, for example, I want to see my CGST account ledger. Just go to the display tab or select D from your gateway of Tally. Just press A for accounting books. Just select L from your keyboard for ledger, or select ledger from this accounting books menu. Here list of ledger is appear. I just write CG, the list is appear. Suppose I want to see CGST at the rate of 6%, just select CGST 6%. This is appear for only March month. I want to see for whole year, just press Alt F2, change your period, and in this way you can see your whole year transaction for a particular ledger. So friend, this is the video on which how can you see your cash book, bank book, sale register, purchase register, journal register, and particular ledger. In the next video we will see another features about Tally. Thank you.